So, in-class question 1. Okay. We've got a wheelbase of 2.4 metres, a corner radius of 50 metres. So delta is L divided by R, which is 2.4 divided by 50, which comes out to be 2.4 divided by 50, 0.048 radians, which equals, so if we multiply that by 180 and divide it by pi, 2.75 degrees. Okay? Straightforward. Repeat this for a corner radius of 100 metres. Okay, so .375. Okay. And if we were to do this for a radius of 25 metres, it's going to be twice what it is for 50. Okay. 2.4 divided by 50, 25, 0.096. Okay. This wheelbase of 2.54 metres, a track width of 1.486 metres, okay, and a radius of the corner of 10 metres. So it's just a matter of plugging the things in. So delta I is going to be L over R minus the track width, 1.486 divided by 2. Okay. So doing that on the calculator, 2.54, we've got 10, 1.486, 2 divided by, subtracted from 10 divided by that, we get 0.2744 radians. Okay, times that by 180 divided by pi, we get 15.72 degrees. Okay, the outer delta 2.54 divided by 10 plus 1.486 divided by 2. We've got 2.54, 10, 1.486, 2 divided by plus, divided by 0.2364 radians. Which is 13.55 degrees. Okay, so there's our solutions in degrees, okay. Delta is simply L upon R. .54 divided by 10, which is going to be 25.4, clearly. Radians. 25.4. Oops. 4. No, 25. Come on. 25.4. 180 by divided by. No. No, sorry, this is... yeah, exactly, 0.254, sorry about that. Okay, so drop 0.254. 14.55 degrees. Slightly different than the average. Okay, anyway. And then the off tracking, okay. Off tracking was delta. Oops. Delta is L squared upon 2R. And so we've got 2.54 squared divided by 2 times 10. So 2.54 squared, 20. 0.323. L in this case is 3.226 meters. The track width is the same, 1.486 meters. And the corner radius is 10. So delta outer is going to be L divided by R plus T upon 2, which is 3.226 divided by 10 plus 1.486 divided by 2. So it's 3.226, 10, 1.486 divided by 2, add to 10 divided, there we go. 0.3003 radians, which is 17.21 degrees. Okay. Delta I, L upon R minus T upon 2, so 3.226 over 10 minus 1.486 divided by 2, 0.3226, 10, 1.486 divided by 2 minus 3.226, 10, 486, 2 divided by minus divided by 2. Okay, so the outer and the inner, or the inner and the outer and the inner steering angles, okay? And then we've got delta, which is okay, 18.48 degrees. Now, for the off tracking, obviously we can work that out. That's delta. Oops. Delta is L squared upon 2R. So 3.226 squared divided by, this case, 2 times 10. So 3.226 squared, 20 divided by 0.520 meters. Okay, so there's your off tracking. Now